In South Africa, we don't want the foreigner here. Even you belong to Ghana, Zambia, what? We know that the time of the exile was there. But now, we don't want anyone here because they say we're coming here for work. Who say we don't have a talent to work here? Many people of here in South Africa are suffering because of this fucking shit. Other one, they killing our people, youth, with the nyaupe and what. People that have graduated, they go to UK with this man. Now, after that, they're sleeping. But all Nigeria, Congo, they coming with the big cars. Where they get the man, they're selling drugs. And this government is behind them.
They are calling us the foreigners. They are beating us. They are bending our shops, looting, everything. So now we are so suffering. And then it's still in the Mayfair until now. It's not safe. The people that are running, going up and down with the quantums from the location to the it's still the Mayfair where the people, where the children are living, where the mothers and everybody, the oldest people are living. So it's still now we are not on the safety, especially from the government. They try to prevent this thing, but it's still they didn't control.
Take it out.
So yes, it's ready.
There's one up.
Yes. Come.
What is this? Stay behind us. Don't get